They're just currently choosing which chocolates they like. And we're taste testing all of them. We haven't even eaten breakfast yet. But we've already had a couple of pieces of chocolate. This one is this one's cookies and cream. I think the Hershey's cookies and cream is better though than the Lindt one. Yeah. Papa's like at the spa right now. Oh, what the heck? Did he just finish? You just finished? Dang, I was gonna get you guys. Wow.
Did you take the Did you take the video?
Whoa, no, I was gonna, but then you got up right away.
Huh?
Tonight, I think we're gonna go to Burnham Park to watch the fireworks, which is all I really want to do for the new year. Fireworks. That's it. Alright, so we're starting the day a bit late. We just hung out all morning and ate chocolate and stuff. But it's 4:33 already and we're just leaving the house. And okay. And I think we're gonna go to the spa again because we really enjoy it, and it's so expensive in Canada, so I mean we might as well just go while we're here, while we can afford it. In Baguio they're like selling all these horns because they're trying to lessen the fireworks. These freaking horns, man, you can like hear it all across the mountains. And then people are shooting off random fireworks that sound like gunshots. And I'm scared of guns, so that's scary. But yeah. The last day of 2014. Kind of sad. It's Ate Rukmini, Ate B, Ate Mare, me, and Ate Sandra all going.
With my signature.
Alright. Oh, let me just do it. Okay, Miriam's in a bad mood.
Are you in a bad mood?
Yeah. Okay, so we tried to go find a massage place, but they all closed early, or they all closed down. So we're just walking now. And then this is Baguio's famous cathedral. Pretty. Look at it. Let's show it on camera. Hey, look at it.
Oh yeah. Sure.
Wow. Really nice.
With the clouds inside.
Wow. Alright. What's the plan now?
I don't know.
We're just gonna find something to do. I mean, it's the new year, so there's gotta be something going on. Yeah, I think if we don't get massages, we're probably just gonna get haircuts. So there's that.
Massage you like also.
It's a really nice day out.
You don't have that in Canada?
No.
Dagdag pa ng yung asin.
Oh,
Yung asin. Thank you. Saan sa Manang Sandra? Let's go. Yeah.
I really wish Canada sold like bags or fruit in a bag. Yummy! So we didn't find any spa as we were walking around.
Password there.
Oh yeah, 1 second. Yeah, we weren't able to find a spa or something, I don't know. So Ate Rukmini just went to go get a full body massage at Abanao Square. And then we will just wait for her at Cafe Benny's. We're here again. And we're gonna have our bottomless coffee again, but hopefully we'll have more than 2 cups this time.
Yeah,
so it's actually more. Yeah. So yeah. And then we're gonna go meet up with the elders in a later tonight. I don't know. It's the new year, so the night is young. It's still it's 5:50. It's before 6 still. So. Oh my God! There's only 6 hours left before the new year. How crazy!
It's the birthday of Ate Ruk.
Oh yeah, Ate Rukmini's birthday is in 6 hours in January for 1. So Will you miss 2014?
No.
You won't? Bad year? Dang.
Oh no, it broke.
What did I do?
Kept cupping.
Did you just buy that?
No,
Huh?
it was a gift.
Oh, from who?
A friend?
Oh.
Oh,
She just got a gift like 5 minutes ago. What thoughts on 2014?
Good year. Good year.
Oh, this is apple pie?
No, no.
Oh.
Apple pie is that.
Tight. Just want to get it on film. Hey girl. Oh yeah, Aramesh and Atirapnini joined us. So we're just gonna stay here. Just gonna film everything. We're just gonna eat the night away, you know.
You haven't introduced
This is a quesadilla, a pesto quesadilla.
Ito ma-open na niya. Bibili ako ng tig 500 na cellphone.
Come on, oh shit. Okay. Hurry, girl.
Is it good? Yummy.
got this one.
Oh, this one, nobody wants to eat. Bakit
Sandwich.
The cheddar, yummy.
Let me try.
You
Oh
want?
my god, don't eat all the sauce. Okay, every time there's sauce, Mar just always finishes it all. She just loves sauce.
Some about those
Frick.
condiments, you know?
Okay, we're still here at that cafe. It's only been an hour, but we've eaten so much already. And we've had so many cups of coffee already, but fireworks started going off.
Let's go
What?
skating in Burnham.
Skating? Ice skating? No, it's okay. Chocolate. What's this called? What's this called? Choco fudge cake.
Huh? No, only one. No, di ba ate?
Wait.
And then one. Sharon. Sharon. Meet Sharon.
Okay, she's gonna do her talent. Come on, girl.
Wait. Let's just try
Okay.
without the comment.
Oh,
Because I have
okay.
no choice. Just don't take
Wala, it hurts kasi.
Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, she undid it. Do it again.
Later, please.
Oh, okay. Her mouth needs a break. Damn, girl. Right, we're at Burnham Park now, and there are a bunch of lights for the new year, and there's like fountains. There's just lights everywhere here. It's pretty. We're gonna await the fireworks. Happy New Year, 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 Happy New Year. I'm excited, dang. Oh, I just missed it. It was all strong and colorful.
My friends were supposed to make a music video here.
Oh, really?
And then suddenly, no batting already. It's
No
not
what?
allowed anymore. Batting and playing.
Oh, people used to play here?
Yeah.
This is a cute fountain too. Wait, oh, it goes higher. Oh. Oh, I always miss it when it gets pretty. Come on. Where's all the light? Whatever. We're at the part with all the lights now. It's pretty. It looks kind of like Candyland or something. Oh, it looks like Willy Wonka. Look it, it's so cute. Okay, look how cute these gingerbread houses are. Then there's Jesus. So nice. Pretty park. But there's some confusion about the fireworks because apparently the ones that we saw earlier at the cafe, apparently those were the fireworks that the park was gonna be showing tonight. So I don't know if there's gonna be midnight fireworks. so many lights. Oh, more picture taking. More family arrived, so we gotta take more pictures. Oh, Auntie Nora, you look so cool. Are you okay?
Yes.
Just a big parka. Oops. New Year's snack.
Yummy.
Everyone, a lot of people are buying the horns now that it's closer to New Year. Same with, they're selling like hats too, which I want to buy one, but I have no money. But because usually, I don't know, it's just fun to have New Year props like the glasses and stuff. Look at Brywins selling it over there. So we're still here at Burnham Park, and there's unfortunate news because there aren't going to be any fireworks this evening.
I hope so.
And no, Uncle Ram was saying that they're just being more strict about fireworks, so they're just not gonna have it.
That's dumb.
I don't even know, because they have it, and like when they did have the fireworks show earlier, it was at 6 p.m. and then SM's fireworks show is apparently over already. So I don't know why they don't have it at midnight. Oh, I don't know. So we might just go home and have some New Year shots. So
Lang, gaganda ngayon nila.
Wow.
Ay, gulat ka.
Picture ko kayo, ang gaganda ninyo, dali. Isa pa, dalawa kayo. Ganyan kayo, oh, ganyan. I know,
Bungal sirat.
these people are freezing. And it's only like, it can't be less than 10 degrees. Like maybe it's 15, I think. Maybe 13. And they're like just freezing. Wait, what's on your head?
Kasi nung dumaan kami, minsan siya nakita ko doon.
Shut, girl.
Freckles.
I don't really know what's going on right now. I thought we were gonna go home, but apparently we're gonna go to John Hay. So we're gonna go.
Oh no, it's okay, I got it. Thanks.
Alright.
We all just piled in the van again. It wasn't as squishy as the cemetery ride. Everyone's in.
Hi, Happy New Year.
Hi, Siggy.
We're on our way to like another park. I'm not sure.
Older one.
We're just trying to chase these fireworks, man. We're at Camp John Hay now. That's what it's called. And there's a bunch of lights in this area. And there's a countdown up there at the hotel. I think it's a hotel.
This is where the
So I think.
Yamashita is.
And I don't know. We're just gonna watch fireworks here, I guess. Some of the oldies are staying because they're feeling sleepy already. And Mom. This is a hotel. They have really pretty lights. Huge Christmas tree. It doesn't look as big on camera, but it's really big. As tall as that. They're saying that those lights looks like the rotating. So it's like 11:40-ish right now. And we're trying to get to a place where we can view the fireworks without any obstructions. Nutcrackers. We're on top of the hill now. Alright, 9 minutes until the new year, and I don't know, there's a whole bunch of fireworks displays going on. Like there's some over there, and then there was some going on way over there, and then this hotel has a bunch of balloons that they're letting go of, so And then now they're popping it, so I don't know what they're doing. Dang.
They're wasting their balloons.
Yeah, what the heck? And it's only the 5 of us that came up the hill. The rest of the family is probably sleeping or meditating or something. So. Oh look! They decided to join!
Of course, we are gonna join.
Yes, and then the boys are over there.
Happy birthday!
Oh yeah, it's her 31st birthday!
Happy birthday!
Well, not yet.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
You came!
Oh yeah!
Oh snap!
Happy birthday!
Joff and Sue decided to show up! My mom, we were like, hey, we're going up the hill now. She's like, I'm done with these fireworks. So they decided to come. Wow, just in time. How nice is that? Oh, you showed up, Mommy Sue.
Happy New Year.
Wow.
Happy New Year!
Haha.
Ilang minutes lang?
Happy New Year.
It ain't New Year yet.
Dada,
4 minutes.
this is my sister, my brother-in-law. Yeah,
Sabi din mo
Dada.
na baba.
Ready?
Happy birthday!
Kumanta na sila.
Really? Do you think they ended up having fireworks?
Yep.
It's so loud now. There's 3 minutes left.
You see?
Oh my goodness. They were saying it might be SM. I'm excited. Oh my goodness! Less than a minute left! Fireworks are already going off. So loud. Oh my god, this battery's running low too. Could it not be worse timing? Girl. Is there a countdown? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh snap! Oh my gosh! Trees in the way. Oh snap! They're everywhere! I don't know which way to look. Oh my god. Holy poo! They really go all out here. There's 3 different fireworks going on! my gosh! I'm obsessed! Look at this one! Oh my god! Come on! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I'm obsessed.
Happy New Year! Oh, kaya lang, magsalita ka.
Happy New Year! It just, what? Okay, it just got done. We saw from our location, well, it just finished. And from our location, you could see 6 different fireworks. It's kind of confusing to watch. I was really excited though, there were so many fireworks. And there's still a lot going on. Oh. So fun. It was worth what we've been through today, all the waiting.
Good thing we didn't go home.
Yeah, good thing we didn't go home. Nice. Oh, there's still some going on there. See? Happy New Year. It's 2015. That's crazy.